What I've been doing to make the adjustments to these little hanger bars here, if I can't give them a good hit with my big freaking hammer, I've been mounting it in my vise and then just literally torque it and bend it a little bit. Just be careful, you know, you don't want to break the welds in there, but not many ways you can do it otherwise. You know, you just want to make sure that the hangers are not forcing your exhaust tip, you know, to hit against your rear bumper. You know, so you may have to tweak on it a little bit and put it back in just to make sure, you know, that it fits just right. Otherwise, it'll look all jacked up once it's installed, or it'll be, you know, pressing against your rear bumper, and that's not cool. So just spend a little time tweaking it here with your vise or your big hammer, and then refit it and check it again.